We are naming some snowplows. We have 12 winners. We're expecting 3 today to come up and stick their name placards on the side of this plow in front of the Public Works building.
Nice, good job. So we were just listening to some music, actually some Fleetwood Mac, and I remember seeing the competition, Fleetwood Mac, after just listening to some music in the morning.
What we're doing here with this truck naming contest is giving the rental trucks that don't have city numbers names, so that when our drivers are dispatched to go to their routes and plow and do what they do for the city during the snow events, they can identify which truck they need to go to by the name.
I just thought of Austin Powers and I was like, hey, let's add an L to that, and we got Austin Plowers. Yeah, baby.
And I said, hey, have we ever named the city's snowplows? And they said, no, let's do it. And I wasn't thinking that they would be serious, but I've been so blessed by how excited people have been about this contest. We had over 300 submissions and we narrowed it down to 12. And that took a lot of voting from everyone involved with the snow removal process.
We were ecstatic over the response from that. We didn't know if anybody would even participate, and then we just got this overwhelming response from ages 4 to 72, and so a lot of the great names out there that they came up with.
All right, what are you gonna think when you see that snowplow going down the street?
I'm just gonna laugh.